Hello friends, welcome to Let's Tute. Many students want to know the secret of how they can memorize long answers in a short time. See, memorizing long answers is not as difficult as you think, but retaining it for a longer period of time is the toughest task. During an examination, a student has to write the answers accurately with fast speed. But if a student takes more time in recollecting the answers, then he or she may not finish his or her paper in time, which will lead to poor grades in the exam. If that's your case, then don't you worry, because today in this video, we are going to give you 5 easy and effective tips which will help you to remember long answers in a short period of time. So, let's start. Tip number 1. Use daily life examples. If you can learn from daily life examples, you can really feel how easy it becomes to learn long answers. But don't miss the fun part. Just try to be imaginative and connect dots with your surrounding things in a ticklish method. This process is very effective because examples from daily life are not difficult to remember. Also, anything which is learned through fun is memorized quickly and not forgotten for a longer period of time. Tip number 2. Read out loudly. This trick works well with long answers as well as short answers. So just read out loudly while studying or reading. You can try this by reading a sentence or two from a book and then speaking the words out loud. Reading answers loudly will help you to remember information quickly. Also, it has been proven that reading decreases the stress level by 68%. Tip number 3. Create a visual image. The key is to not just read the answer over and over again, but also to use your mind's eye when you glance at it. When you look at the answer, imagine that you are in the room where it is being said, or imagine yourself in a walkthrough of what's happening or what's about to happen. The more detail you can visualize at this moment, the better chance you have of remembering it later on. Tip number 4. Divide the answer. You can divide your answer into smaller parts because it has been proven that splitting up your long answers in chunks is beneficial for long-term retention. Also, it helps you grasp the information quickly. Tip number 5. Understand and write it down. First, understand the answer which you need to memorize faster. This will give you a clear idea of what you are reading. And it will also be helpful in case you forget something during the exam. After understanding the answer, you can write it down on a paper because it has been proven that writing something is equal to reading it 7 times. Also, students who write and learn something remember it more effectively compared to those who just read and review. So these were the tips that will help you to remember long answers in a short period of time. Inculcate these tips in your life and transform yourself from a mediocre to a topper student. Hope you like this information. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.